Hello, everyone. So right now I'm going to review how to copy one given memory location's content into another. So in this case, the question is asking, based on program counter relative mode, write two instructions at location 3000 and 3001 to perform a memory copy. And the content to be copied is in X3011, and we are expected to copy that information into X3010, right? Okay, so remember, this is already the solution, but I'm going to do the solution step by step now. Now, if we are executing an instruction at X3000, what would the program counter be? If we start executing that instruction, the program counter would have been incremented when we start executing that instruction, right? So the program counter that we are dealing with is X3001. Okay, so if we were to load the memory content to a temporary register using program counter relative mode, that we would be using the load instruction. The load instruction is the program counter relative mode loader from memory. So I'm going to take that information at X3011 to a temporary location. In this case, I'm going to do it to R0. Now that I know that I'm going to be copying information to R0, what should I do to access X3011? So in hexadecimal, this operation is it is very visible that if I have my data at X10, which would be like X3001 and X0010, when I do this add operation, it is going to give me, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 0 is 3, right? So I have X3011. So that's going to be what I'm going to do. So I am going to write X10. So this is going to be my offset. So when I execute this load instruction, it's going to take program counter X3001, this number, and add X10 to it. And then it's going to access X3011 to grab it and write the information in that memory location temporarily to R0. Now, I need to write this information to memory. What do I do? How do I write information, a word that I have in a register to memory? I do it with store. I'm going to be storing R0's content into a location. So that's going to be the X3010. Okay, now this is hexadecimal, right? So what I need to do is that whatever I do in this line, X3001, the program counter when executing this store instruction is going to be X3002. So I need to have X3002 plus something that should give me X3010. So how do I find this value? Let me make this a little bit adventurous. So let me do the binary version of this operation. Okay, 0, 0. If I write x3002 in binary, it's going to be 0, 0, 1, 1, and then the second 0, 0, 0, 0, the third 0, 0, 0, 0, and 2 is going to be 0, 0, 1, 0, right? So I need something to add here, so that I can reach to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so let's find this value, what it is supposed to be. Okay, so first, for 0 to be 0 again, this number has to be 0. Okay, now for this 1 and whatever this number is, for this to give us 0, this should be a 1, right? So the next step is that now that I am carrying 1 plus 1 is going to be 0, but I'm carrying 1. So this needs to be 1 again, so that the carry plus 0 plus 1 is going to be 0. But this time I'm carrying again. I am in trouble. So the next step is going to be, again, 1 here, so that I can have my carry 1, and then plus 0 plus 1 is going to be 0. And then I am going to be, I'm going to need to have carry 1 plus 0 plus 0 is going to give me 1. Now I'm in the clear. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now I have a number here. What does this 1110 correspond to in hexadecimal is going to be what I'm going to be writing here. So 1110 in hexadecimal is XE. That value is 14 in our decimal system. Okay, now what I do here is that I copy the contents of R0 and write it into X3002 plus XE. So that would give me X3010. Okay, so the answer to the question is this 2 lines.